Good morning, students. We are doing lesson 1 of geography. The name of the lesson is the Earth and the Solar System. We are doing exercises of lesson. So today we will continue with the exercises. Today we will do exercise E of the lesson 1. Exercise E is give short answers for the following questions. You have to write the answers in about 20 to 30 words. So coming to our exercise E, question number 1. Give short answers. Question number 1 is, what is a constellation? Answer is, some stars form recognizable shapes and patterns in the sky known as constellations. So what is a constellation? Constellation is a group of stars. There are 88 constellations in all. The most important constellation of the northern sky is the Great Bear. You have also read it is also known as Ursa Major. This constellation resembles a bear. This is a picture of a constellation Great Bear, also known as Ursa Major. You have to draw this in your notebook on the left hand side. Now children, moving on to question number 1. Why can't some stars be seen with the naked eye? Answer, some stars cannot be seen with naked eye because they are very far from us. Children, you all know that we can see some stars with our naked eyes while we are unable to see some stars because they are farther away from us. The sun is also a star. It looks big in size because of its closeness to the earth. Sun is the nearest star to the earth. So, the distance between the stars is measured in the terms of light years. Light years is a unit of distance. Now children, moving on to question number 3. Name the constituents of the universe. The constituents of the universe are the stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and comets. You all know children what are stars? A star is a big ball of burning gases which produces its own heat and light. Now what are planets? Planets are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun in fixed orbits. Now next is satellites. Satellites are the celestial bodies that revolve around the planets. Now what are asteroids? Asteroids are rocky celestial bodies that revolve around the sun. What are comets? A comet is an icy body which releases gas or dust. And what is meteorites? A meteoroid is a solid piece of debris from the asteroids or comets that revolve around the sun. So children, moving on to question number 4. What according to you makes Earth an unique planet? Children, you all know Earth is the only planet where life exists. So Earth is also called as a unique planet. It is spherical in shape, slightly flattened at poles and bulging at the equator. This shape is called geoid, which means earth shaped. The shape of the earth is known as geoid. Now we will write the answer as Earth is an unique planet due to following reasons. Number 1, suitable temperature of the earth. Number 2, presence of water. And number 3 is breathable atmosphere. You all know children, the distance and position of a planet from the sun determines the temperature of that planet. Earth's temperature is suitable to sustain life because it is the third planet in the solar system. Earth's average temperature is 22 degrees centigrade. It also varies from place to place. It is colder around the poles than near the equator. Second is presence of water. Earth is the only planet where water exists in all the three states, solid, liquid and gas. The presence of water on Earth's surface makes it the only planet suitable for life. So Earth is the only planet having the life. Now moving on to question number 5. What is a satellite? A satellite is a small celestial body that revolves around the planets. There are two types of satellites, natural satellite and artificial satellite. So like, for example, moon is the natural satellite of the earth which revolves around the earth. So children, what is your assignment for today? So your assignment for today is do all the questions answer in your notebook. Okay, thank you children.